How to use coins on AliExpress. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch any web browser on your device. Now click on search bar and type in aliexpress.com and press enter on your keyboard. Then you will land on the official interface of AliExpress. Make sure to log into your account and your home screen of AliExpress will look like this. Simply to use coins on AliExpress, you need to simply locate the coins option on the interface. For that, you need to simply click on the account at top right corner of the screen and select My Coins. You can simply go ahead and select My Coins and here you will see all your coins history. So currently, I don't have any coins. If you have any, you can simply go ahead and select the product you want to buy. If coins apply, you will see a discount, example extra 5% off, and then you need to tap buy now to purchase the product and the coins will automatically apply for the discount. So that's it. That is how you can successfully use coins on AliExpress. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.